How to clear Google Photos storage. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can clear Google Photos storage, and so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've been getting the Google Photos warning of auto storage, because Google by default gives you 15 gigabytes for free, and if you've backed up many photos and videos and the 15 gigabytes is already full, what can you do in those cases? Well, in order to go ahead and restore those, what you want to do is you just have to delete some of the photos that you have. So just open the Photos application or the Google Photos app. You can see whether or not all of this is actually backed up. Now in my case I'm using a Pixel device, that is why I have unlimited photo storage. But if you don't, then you'll be able to see all of your photos backed up, and what you want to do is you might just want to get rid of few of them. So you can just select a couple of posts over here, as you can see in this case. Once you select a few specific posts right over here, you'll be able to delete them. The ones that occupies the most space is actually the videos, so just find out the unnecessary videos and get rid of them. Now after you have cleared them, there's also one more thing you have to do. You have to come to library, go to the bin option, which means even if you delete them, they are still going to be stored in your bin section, right? So you want to make sure to select them from your bin as well, and then tap the delete option in order to delete them permanently. Only then your Google Drive or your Google account storage will actually be full, and this way you can go ahead and then basically fix and clear Google Photos storage. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.